Welcome back to What Are We Cooking Now, kids? And so I have a few bags here and a few pencils. And so this is going to be a little bit of a quick video. So I heard about you fill up, it's like an experiment. You fill up a bag and you put pencils through it and it's actually not supposed to leak. So I'm going to try that out right now. So yeah. Okay guys, so I have the bag filled up and I'm afraid. That's why I have a pencil. The swimming suit on. So, yeah, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, dude. Okay, so I have 3 more, and I'm gonna try it upwards now. It worked. It worked. It drips when you pull it out. So now I have 2 pencils in there. Okay, time for the 3rd one. I'm gonna try it this way. Nope, that ain't gonna work. Not like this way. I can't do it that way. I have to do it like this way. So I'm gonna try and do it in front of the camera. I got it through a bit. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh. Okay, so that one was harder to do. I don't know why it's dripping. Guys, it's dripping. It's dripping. Aww. Okay, so this is one way to empty out the bag. So I'm taking out all of these pencils. So first challenge, done like a boss. But now I need to throw this away because now it has a whole bunch of holes in it. Okay, so now on to the next challenge. Okay, so I have the next bag, and you know what I have? I have 2 pencils that has not been sharpened yet. I'm gonna try it, so let's see if I can fix this camera so then we can see. Oh yay, we can see it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to fit it through. This one wasn't a fail, but it's leaking. Okay, let's try the last one. Woo! Ooh, guys, it just spilled. I can't get this one in. Oh my gosh, guys, I got it on the 2nd one. I'm sorry, but that's a fail. I can't, no. It's dripping, so yeah, guys, no. And yes, if you guys hear my mother talking in the background, then she's talking to her friend. Okay. So, yep, rag. Trying to clean up this place. Ooh, don't you dare get on the charger. Okay. So, this bag is up next, and you guys won't believe what I'm going to use next. I'm going to try my hardest to get this in. But yeah, see you guys. Okay, so I have this last one, and guess what I have? Let's see if a toothbrush and a mini Lego knife can fit through this. Okay, so let's do the toothbrush first. Which side? I'm doing this side. See if a toothbrush could. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. Oh my god. Guys, I don't think the toothbrush one ain't gonna work. Oh my god, guys, it's losing one. Okay, that toothbrush did not work. Now it's time for the knife. The mini knife. Mother, did you do all that? Okay. Nope. Okay, let's try and make this through, guys. Okay, goodness gracious. Okay, oh my god. Please! Oh my gosh! So, the knife is through, but can't. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. Okay, so we popped this one with only one side. There. Okay. So, yeah. No. So yeah, guys. So the toothbrush and that one did not work. So did that. Only these pencils can. Yeah. But yeah. So I'm gonna keep on trying to make more videos every week. Every either Friday, Saturday. If I don't do that one, then I'll try the next Monday. Oh my gosh. So yeah. Now let's just yeah. So this, guys, if you want to ever try this, it is like super duper fun. It's like really entertaining and well, kind of does waste your bags, but so yeah. I'm probably going to, like, the next one is going to be, like, me and my trampoline, I guess. But I don't know what I'm going to do next. But, yeah. So, guys, this has been What Are We Cooking Now, Kids? Bye!